Here's how to view someone's Instagram story without them knowing in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Instagram normally shows your name when you view someone's story. There's no official anonymous mode, but there are a few safe workarounds. For public accounts only, you can use an Instagram Story Viewer website. Open your browser, search for an Instagram Story Viewer, enter the username, and watch stories anonymously. This only works for public profiles. Private accounts cannot be viewed anonymously. You can also use a second Instagram account. Follow the person or view their public story without using your main profile. The airplane mode trick no longer works in 2026. Instagram still records your view, so don't rely on this method. Muting or restricting someone does not hide your story view. They will still see your name. If privacy matters, avoid risky apps and never log in with your Instagram password on unknown sites. And that's it. Those are the real ways to view Instagram stories without them knowing in 2026. Subscribe for more Instagram tips.